Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, February 4th, and this is my recap of the top view videos from Friday. And on Friday, the US dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure to check out the video that I made Friday morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty nice push down at the non-farm payroll, kind of as we expected. It did reject this structure. At this point, I think our assumptions that it's going to take out the low wave 4 is probably very correct. So I would still be looking for shorts. I think it's going to go down to at least a 161.8 Fibonacci retracement on the daily time frame and possibly even further than that. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts. I would not try to go short now. I would actually prefer to see a pretty decent move to the upside. If it does start to make a decent move to the upside, then I would put my Fibonacci retracement from top to bottom. I would look for three waves up, A, B, and C, or maybe some sort of a flat or triangle. And then I'll be looking for a Fibonacci bounce with a big bearish engulfing move to the downside to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.